Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about one of the most difficult birds to distinguish. The paddyfield pipit. The paddyfield pipit or Oriental pipit is a small passerine bird in the pipit and wagtail family. Although among the few breeding pipits in the Asian region, identification becomes difficult in winter when several other species migrate into the region. It is a resident breeder in open shrub, grassland and cultivation in southern Asia east to the Philippines. A sparrow-sized resident pipit with brown plumage that varies in tones in different parts of its range. All birds have a bicolored bill with a curve to the tip of the upper bill. It is common in open habitats such as wetlands, farms, fields and even large parks. Very similar to Blitz and Richard's pipit, but relatively compact and has a more distinct eyebrow. Their calls are like locally named Keth Waratichcha. I have not seen the paddyfield pipit. In one of our recent visits to Hambantota, we visited a place where you can mingle with birds. This was such an unique experience. The pictures that you see here are of sun conures. Apart from sun conures, you can also mingle with macaws.